Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. Welcome to the channel, The Real Love Survival. Just going to do a short update video. Didn't manage to get round to doing the video yesterday. I was going to start off with this one, the PSK Personal Survival Kits, and then I was going to go on to this one, but I couldn't get round to doing it. So just a quick little video just to say, just to talk a little bit about these tins. CJ's here with me today. Hello CJ, he wants me to throw the ball quickly. Let's just do that. Get him over there. Good boy CJ. Yes, so personal survival kit. This one, there's a good book, SAS Survival Guide, which I will show on the video later on. And the Lofty Wiseman SAS Survival Guide tells you what you can put in your tins. I've put what I wanted in this one. It's based on this one, but yeah, and a couple of little bits of my own stuff in there as well. Why would you need a PSK? Okay, if you lost your kit, say for example, I lost my bag, let's put the bag over there. Oh well, no bag, lost the bag. I'm left with one of these in my pocket. Now the good thing about these, they could have anything inside there, from meds to fishing kit to sewing kits to making notes, water filter tablets, water purification tablets, excuse me, all sorts of little bits, needles, sail needles, little bit of electrical tape that you wrap round the side there, useful, loads of useful little bits and pieces. But I will go through them later on, so watch this space. Forgive me that I didn't do them earlier. So just in case you lost all your kit, you've got a little backup survival kit. That's what they are, personal survival kit. Hey, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up, comment below if you want, but watch this space for the full videos. Have a great day, God bless, see you soon, take care, bye.